Hello everyone! Welcome to our presentation entitled Beyond the 9 to 5. So this presentation is for our aspiring part-time referral partners, no? Kung nasaan mang parte po kayo ng mundo, kung nasa Pilipinas kayo, sa Asia, Middle East, Europe, or kahit sa Amerika, no? So this is perfect for you because in this presentation, you will have knowledge on how you can unlock additional income streams with SMDC sales. And it's all for free, no? So wala po kayong kailangan bayaran in this program. And my name is Dennis Canlas and I'm the AVP of SMDC International Sales, no? So I also have 16 years of continuous practice in real estate. 14 years na rin po ako sa SMDC and I'm the head of SMDC Team Apex. So that's our group, that's our division. And I'm also a licensed real estate broker in the Philippines. And kahit papano, nakapag-invest naman po in some property. So I'm also a real estate investor, no? So, ano po ba yung i-cover natin today, no? So, number one, ano po ba yung SMDC Apex Referral Program, no? So, number two, is this business right for you? So, syempre, naghahanap kayo ng additional income. Pero, para sa inyo ba to, no? So, baka nagtatanong po kayo niyan. Number three, I will share with you my challenging start in real estate sales and how it positively changed my life drastically. And next is easy accreditation process. And syempre, ang pinakagusto natin, yung income potential. And this is unlimited, of course. And next is the SMDC Apex execution system to support you in this business. And lastly, the only 5 steps you need to succeed in real estate sales. Okay? So, jump in na po tayo dun sa SMDC referral program. So, ano po ba yung referral program? So, number one, it is a network of referrers worldwide who are accredited directly to SMDC, no? So, yun nga, may mga accreditation forms po yan. Mag-fill up lang po kayo ng forms. Tapos, pag sinubmit namin sa accreditation team, nasa system na po kayo ni SMDC as referral partners, no? And number two, income is directly deposited to your bank account. No middleman, no? So, yung mga commissions, directly na po made-deposit sa inyo, hindi na dadaan dun sa mga sellers or mga agents. Kasi dati po, ganun yung nangyayari. Pag nagre-refer po kayo, dumadaan pa sa kanila and minsan, nawawala po yung commissions natin. No? So ngayon, it's safe, it's secure because diretso na po sa inyo yung income nyo. No? And number three, of course, in this program, baka iniisip nyo, ay may quota, baka mahirapan akong i-reach yung quota, etc. etc. But no, in this program, there's no quota and no pressure, no? So you can sell at your own pace and nandito lang po kami, of course, to support you. Okay? So, the next question you might be thinking is this business right for you? 'Di ba? So kung wala pa po kayong experience sa sales, kung hindi pa kayo nakapagbenta ng anything before, no? Definitely pwedeng-pwede niyo pong gawin 'to, no? And ang sagot lang po dito is absolutely, especially if you are one of this, no? So number one, people with extra time. Kung napakarami yung time ngayon, no? Like for example, you are a retiree or kung ang unemployed po kayo, wala kayong work, or if you are a housewife, no, na naghahanap ng extra income, or siguro bata pa kayo, college student, no, na gusto niyo nang kumita kahit hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng regular job. And of course, syempre yung mga negosyante na may extra time na automated na yung business nila and you would want an extra income, no? And of course, number two, people who know investors, no? So kung wala naman po kayong extra time, your income is okay, but you have friends or family, you know, who are qualified to invest, no? So yun nga, kaysa bumili pa sila sa iba, kaysa sa iba pa sila mag-invest, edi sa inyo na lang po, 'di ba? Kayo na lang po yung kumita. And number three, people working abroad, no? So kahit based po kayo abroad, pwedeng-pwede po kayong sumali or magpa-accredit dito sa program na to, no? For example, if you are an OFW, you are a seaman, okay? Or kaya migrant worker po kayo, di ba? So syempre, marami pong mga Pilipino na nasa abroad ang gusto pa ring umuwi sa Pilipinas, mag-retire sa Pilipinas at mag-invest sa Pilipinas. So captured nyo na po sila. And next is people with only enough income, no? So dito po, you can't save enough, no funds for travel, can't invest and others, no? So, ibig sabihin, saktong-sakto lang po yung kinikita natin, 'di ba? Dun sa income natin. Tapos, medyo talika pa sa trabaho mo. So in this program, you will have an opportunity to earn more, to save more, and syempre makapag-travel at makapag-invest. Okay? And lastly, if you are one of these, yung people with insufficient income, 'di ba? So, syempre, kung nandito po kayo sa Pilipinas, medyo mababa yung sahod po natin dito if you're a minimum wage earner, and usually 9 to 5 job po tayo, and you can't even support your daily needs, no? So, baka ito na po yung hinahantay nating opportunity para makapag-earn po tayo ng mas malaki. Okay? So, right now, andyan po, yan, may picture ako dyan sa harap nyo, sa screens nyo, and I want to share with you my journey with SMDC, no? So, kami pong mag-asawa, no? So, ano ba yung, saan kami nagsimula when we started with SMDC, and ano na yung mga naging milestone sa buhay po namin, no? So, ito po, I'll start off by sharing this. Yan, okay? So, ako po talaga yan, that's my graduation picture when I was in college, no? And I graduated at the age of 19 from De La Salle University, Manila in 2006. So, I was 19 years old. And yun nga, minsan kapag nababanggit ko po yan, no, dun sa mga clients ko or sa mga colleagues ko, ang sinasabi nila minsan, ay, big time Lasalista, no? Pero, hindi ako nanggaling sa mayamang pamilya, no? I came from a low-income class family, and my parents are vegetable dealers in Divisoria ever since up until today, no? So, yan po yung picture ng mama ko, yan po yung pwesto namin sa Divisoria, ayun yung mga gulay po sa likod, no? So, yan po yung bumuhay sa akin when I was in college. Actually, na-experience ko pa nga po when I was in college is nangungutang pa yung nanay ko para lang hindi ako malate sa finals, 'di ba? So doon po ako nagsimula, and doon po ako nag-start mangarap kung paano ba ako magiging successful, no? And yun nga, after graduation in LaSalle, so yan po yung picture namin, my then girlfriend who is my wife right now, which is si Sheila, no? So after graduation, I started working as an office staff. So yun nga, sabi ko dito, pag pumasok ako dito sa malaking company na to, sigurado magiging successful ako, no? Pero a few months have passed. Sabi ko parang wala akong mahihita dito, parang hindi ako magiging successful or magiging mayaman, because my salary back then was around 13,000 pesos lang, no? Which is definitely insufficient. Syempre, kakain ka pa, magko-commute ka pa, 'di ba? So minsan magde-date ka pa, 'di ba? So sabi ko parang hindi, 'di ba? So yun po, after a few months or years of being in a corporate job, I tried entering real estate sales in 2008, no? So hindi pa po sa SMDC yan, sa ibang developer pa po yan, no? So pumasok ako sa ibang developer, trying my luck na okay, sige dito, kasi kapag mas masipag ka, pwede kang mas kumita ng mas malaki. And when I was in that developer, Sheila joined SMDC in 2010, no? And I was shocked with her sales even if she was a newbie. Kahit bago lang po siya, nagulat ako kasi on her first month, naka-anim na units sold agad siya, no? Dun sa Light Residences in Boni, Mandaluyong. So sabi ko, wow, grabe, ang dali namang magbenta ng SMDC. And after 5 months, I decided to join SMDC also. So lumipat na ako from that other developer. So here are some of our pictures, no, during our events. Yan, kapag naka-duty po kami sa Tagaytay, sa Wind Residences, and ito naman po yung mga mall duties namin, no. So nung nandito na po kami sa SMDC, lalo na po ako, ang dami kong nakitang advantages nung company, nung SMDC over the others, no. So ano po ba yung mga yon, no? So number one, 5-star projects all over the Philippines, no? So from affordable projects to luxury developments, lahat po kompleto, no? So hindi mahirap magbenta. Tapos lahat pwede mo pang ibenta kasi it will cater to all markets, kahit ang gusto ng client mo medyo mura lang, or yung mga high-end na projects, malalaking units, meron din po tayong ganun, no? And some of our SMDC top projects are these projects, no? So napakadaming projects ni SMDC. We have around 60 plus projects to date, no? And ito po yung usually nabebenta po natin ngayon, no, recently, no. So yung Gold Residences in NAIA Terminal 1, isipin nyo, meron tayong project, tatawid ka lang from NAIA Terminal 1. Of course, yung mga MOA projects natin, Shore 3 and Sale Residences. We also have projects in Makati, Quezon City, yan, sa Light 2 Residences sa EDSA Boni MRT Station. We have in Sucat, Parañaque, which is Bloom Residences. Meron din po tayo sa C5 Pasig City, which is Gem Residences. And kung naghahanap naman po kayo ng mga provincial projects, we also have Zeal Residences in General Trias and Calm Residences in Santa Rosa City in Laguna, 'di ba? So napakaganda ng mga locations ng mga projects natin. So bakit ba napakarami pong nag-iinvest or bumibili in SMDC, no? And we only have this very simple formula, no? And we call it SMDC Keys to Success. Lahat po kasi ng projects ni SMDC, ito po yung formula lang namin. Ito lang yung simple ingredient, no? So number one, prime location. So wala sa liblib na lugar, 'di ba? So malapit sa business district. Kung wala nga pong business district, gagawan po ng business district or township ni SMDC po diyan, 'di ba? So very accessible. And number two, integration of retail development. So syempre, since we are the biggest mall developer in the Philippines, no? So ito po yung ginagawa natin dun sa mga projects natin, and it brings the demand of the projects, no, yung mga rental demand. Tapos kung ibebenta mo, ang daming gustong magrenta dito kasi po it makes the life of the tenants and the unit owners very convenient. Isipin nyo, pagbaba nyo na lang po dun sa mga properties natin or ng mga clients natin, nandyan na yung Save More Supermarket, may restaurants dyan, yung iba po may sinihan pa, yung iba may Medical City Clinic. So, kumpleto, no? So, it's either bababa ka na lang, nandyan na yung mall, or tatawid ka na lang, nandyan na yung SM Mall sa tapat mo, di ba? And of course, we also have hotel-like lobbies and resort-styled amenities. Hindi tinitipid yung mga lobbies and amenities natin. All our finishes, para kang nakatira sa 5-star hotel, para kang nasa resort pag dito po kayo nakatira, no? And talagang may wow factor pag pumunta yung mga friends nyo or yung family nyo, no? And lastly, professional property management, we take that into consideration seriously, no? Kasi alam po namin na kapag maganda yung property management, dito tumataas yung value ng property. And of course, na-maintain din yung mga amenities natin, no? And yung mga common areas natin. And ang maganda po dito sa property management ni SMDC, kahit based po yung clients natin abroad, pwede po nilang iparent yun pong units nila through prime key leasing, or ngayon po yung SMDC Good Stays, no? So yun po yung SMDC Keys to Success, no? So second advantage of SMDC over the others is it's more investment friendly, no? So dahil po dun sa easy payment terms natin, no down payment terms natin, kapag investor po yung client natin, syempre if you invest, mas maganda yung wala ka munang masyadong ilalabas na pera, di ba? So kung wala ka pa naman pong kinikita, no? So unlike with other developers, minsan hinihinga na po agad tayo ng 5% down payment, 10% down payment, or 20% down payment. With SMDC, no down payment po. Isipin nyo po, napaka-generous at napaka-liquid ng SMDC kasi the company will build these projects worth billions of pesos, pero wala pang hihingin na cash out dun po sa mga clients natin, di ba? So magre-reserve lang sila, and then magma-monthly lang po sila until ma-turnover po yung units natin, no? And next is units can be rented out as an Airbnb property. So right now, Airbnb is very in demand, no? Yung mga staycation, di ba? Yung mga umuwi galing abroad tapos nagstay dito sa Pilipinas, kaysa mag-hotel po sila, nag-Airbnb na lang sila, mas mura. And SMDC is one of the very few developers na pwede po yung Airbnb. So, syempre, mas maganda yung pwede nilang kitain, mas malaki yung pwedeng kitain ng mga investor clients po natin, no? And next is, of course, we have a very systematic documentation process, no? From reservation until the turnover, it's very systematic kasi syempre sa dami ng sales po, no? Na figure out na po ni SMDC kung paano yung system on how we can have a smooth flow, no, nung buyer experience po natin, no? And of course, lastly, efficient and generous commission releases, no? So yan naman po yung pinakamaganda sa atin, pinakagusto natin, no? So ang hinahanap talaga natin sa mga developer, ito pong commission releases, eh. So wala pong delays, no? Kasi ano po siya, nasa system po yan, nasa seller's portal po yan, which is later i-discuss ko po, no? So, and with this, with the commissions, with all the advantages that we experienced, no, slowly we witnessed how our lives changed for the better, no. So ano ba yung mga naging milestones po namin when we were in SMDC? Dun sa 14 years ko sa SMDC, napakadami ko na pong na-experience, no. So syempre with SMDC, dito na po kami nakapagpakasal noong 2014, no. So we had a lot of travels. Here are some of our photos, no. Mga international travels namin. At syempre, nakapag-invest din naman kami in some of our SMDC projects, no. So from our income with SMDC, no. So ano po ba tong mga to? We currently have 6 condo units all under SMDC that are giving us additional income through rental, no. So binili namin, no down payment with SMDC. Tapos, ngayon, pinapaupahan po namin at nag-i-incur pa kami ng more income through rental, no? So, yun po, mga naka-long-term rent, and we did Airbnb po in some of our projects, and all of it are self-liquidating assets. Meaning, yung rental income po, natutulungan din kami dun sa pagbabayad po nitong mga properties na to, no? So, pero at least, yung down payment po, 15 to 20% down payment, nanggaling talaga yon dun sa income namin from SMDC, no? So, nakapagpatayo din po kami ng bahay, no? Sa Binyan, Laguna, yan. So, hindi namin nakalain na makakapagpatayo po kami ng house na ganito only with SMDC. And of course, we purchased some cars too, yan, from 2012. Ito po yung mga naging kotse namin, no? So, yan po yung mga nakamit namin na hindi namin inakala na makakamit namin. And for sure, baka nahirapan po kaming makamit ito if nandito lang kami, nagstick lang kami sa regular jobs namin before, no? So, but with all this, for us, here's the biggest blessing that we had so far with SMDC. 'Di ba? So syempre, yung feeling of stability and peace of mind, 'di ba? So syempre dito po sa Pilipinas, hindi ganun kadali kumita ng pera, no, but with SMDC it helped us have that sense of stability at syempre yung peace of mind na hindi ka nangangarag dun sa mga bills natin, no. So yun po yung picture namin, kaming family, and yun nga yung feeling of stability, ito po yun yung we can send our kids to school. We can provide their needs, kung ano po yung kailangan nila sa school, 'di ba? So we can eat what we want, no? Pag sinabi po ng kids namin na, "Dad, gusto kong ganyan, gusto kong kumain ng ganito," 'di ba? Okay, sige. Sige anak, 'di ba? So hindi yung, "Hindi anak, nagtitipid tayo ganyan," 'di ba? Although hindi naman kami nag-splurge, but nabibigay namin kung ano yung minimal na gusto po nila, 'di ba? And we can go to places when we want. Yan, yung mga international travels, local travels, yung mga weekend getaways dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? And of course, we feel secured of our future, 'di ba? And syempre, yung feeling na you're a blessing to your family. So here's a picture of our family, and yun nga na nakakatulong ka sa pamilya kahit papaano, no? And yun nga, next is you might be thinking, possible din kaya na ma-replicate ko ito sa buhay ko, 'di ba? So siguro may mga nagtatanong po sa inyo ngayon dito niya, no? Kaya ko rin kayang gawin 'yon, or kaya ko rin kayang makuha 'yon with SMDC, no? And the simple answer is, of course. Syempre kayang-kaya nyo din po 'yan 'di ba? So you wanna know why? Because selling properties right now is way easier because of technology. Ito po, totoo po yan kasi when we started selling real estate a few years ago, di ba? Kailan ba yun? 2008, no? So wala naman pong Facebook, wala pong mga Google ads, walang boost post, mga ganyan, 'di ba? So, you have social media right now. You can do ads, you can do postings, you can go in yung mga groups, sasali po kayo dun sa mga Facebook groups, no? Tapos, pwede na kayong mag-offer, 'di ba? So, dati po wala, mano-mano, magpa-flyering kami, pupunta kami sa mga establishments, mag-o-offer kami ng properties, no? And yun nga, napakahirap ng buhay po dati kapag sales ka, 'di ba? And right now, people read their emails, no? Napakadali pong mag-send ng proposals. So dati, hindi po kami makapag-send ng proposals kapag abroad-based yung client namin. Before, snail mails yan o yung mga fax, no? Hihingi pa kami ng fax stone para makapag-send po kami ng proposals or yung mga documentation process namin, no? And right now, Katulad po ngayon, nandito tayo sa Zoom or nasa social media tayo, no? So we have Zoom to do video presentations like this wherever your clients are. Kahit nasaang man bansa po kayo, 'di ba? Nasan kayo? Nasa CR kayo, nasa kwarto kayo, nasa dining area kayo, we can do video presentations already remotely, no? And again, this referral program was designed to be as simple as possible for you. It's very simple. So ulitin ko lang po ulit, ano ba yung referral program? A network of referrers worldwide who are accredited directly to SMDC, no? So nasa system kayo talaga ni SMDC as official seller of our projects. And number two, income is directly deposited to your bank account, no middleman. Kung yung bank account, pwede nyo gamitin yung bank account nyo abroad, iwa-wire transfer po dyan directly yung mga commissions natin, no? And number three, no quota, no pressure, sell at your own pace, no? So, hindi po namin kayo tatawagan na nasa na po yung benta nyo, ganyan, or wala pong ganun, no? Kasi, this is your side hustle, this is your business. So, depende po sa pacing nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong kitain later on, no? So, next is, ano ba yung accreditation requirements? So, natutunan na natin, ano ba yung referral program, ano ba yung mga naging milestone po namin during our SMDC stint, no? So, ngayon, kung gusto nyo na pong magpa-accredit, I'll run you through the process, no? Kung ano ba yung mga kailangan nating isubmit. Napakasimple lang naman po. We have phase 1 and phase 2 requirements. So, yung phase 1 po natin, yung filled up and signed accreditation agreement, no? Yan, yung mga non-disclosure, data privacy consent form, and accreditation contract. You have to submit also your copy of passport or other valid ID. And of course, kailangan din po natin ng Gmail account for your SMDC Pro and Sellers Portal access, no? So, ito po yung system natin kung saan nyo makikita yung mga inventory natin, yung mga available units. So, mamaya makikita nyo rin po yan. So, here's just a sample screenshot of our accreditation form, no? So, yan po yung marireceive nyo sa email from the people who invited you to be one of our accredited referral partners, no? And of course, syempre, yung phase 2 requirements naman natin. Kunyari, upon closing a sale, nakabenta na po tayo, ito po yung kailangan natin para ma-release yung mga commissions natin later on, no? So, next is proof of residence, no? Proof of billing, no? Or sa driver's license, pwede naman po kasi nandun din yung address natin, no? And next is proof of bank account for commissions. Kung BDO account po yung kagamitin natin, pwede po yun. Yung proof of bank account number, pwede pong yung passbook nyo, or pwede pong deposit slip, no? Kapag sa wire transfer, ano naman po, based abroad, no? Pwede po yun, i-send nyo lang po yung copy of your check or deposit slip also. And of course, syempre, you just have to fill up the bank information form, no? And for a copy of BIR 0603 and official receipts if using BDO account. Kapag po kasi BDO account yung ginamit natin na mode of payment for our commissions, kailangan po nating mag-submit ng official receipts from BIR and magpa-file pa kayo ng taxes, no? So, yun po, i-disclose na lang po yan sa inyo ng mga team members po namin na nag-invite sa inyo today. Okay? So, yan po. Just want to show you our bank information form. So, ito lang po yung i-fill up natin for your bank details, no? And next is, what is the SMDC Team Apex execution system that will support you in this business, no? So, syempre, alam naman po namin na you're so busy na meron kayong full-time job, yung iba po dyan, may mga full-time job, yung iba po, may mga negosyo, yung iba, syempre, nabanggit ko nga kanina, if you're a housewife, kung estudyante po kayo, di ba? So, definitely, meron po kayong ginagawang iba. So, we make it very easy for you to run this business, no, with our support at with this system, no, execution system. So, number one, we have live question and answer Q&A calls via Zoom twice a week with Apex mentors and coaches, no? So, paki-block lang po itong dates na to. Well, these days, no? So, usually, it's every Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. or Thursday mornings at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., sorry, Philippine time, no? So, dito po, sa mga Q&A calls na to, Siyempre, in this presentation today, alam po namin na hindi nyo naman matututunan po lahat ito di ba? And mas maganda po kung makakapagtanong kayo ng questions, kung paano kayo makakapag-start, ano ba yung mga projects, ano ba yung mga payment terms, no? Dito nyo po matututunan yon, dito nyo po pwedeng itanong yon sa mga Q&A calls natin, no? And number 2, our new and improved Facebook group. So later on, we will have Facebook group, no, na i-add po natin kayo dyan, no, kapag accredited na po kayo. And then there, you will see the videos, yung mga training videos po natin, no. And number 3, we have weekly accountability meetings with your coaches, yung mga nag-invite po sa inyo to be in this accreditation kumbaga referral program po, no? And of course, we have messenger group chats with your coaches and mentor. Pwedeng messenger, pwedeng Viber, depende po sa inyo. And of course, yung Google Drive of all our projects, no? So bibigyan po namin kayo ng link where you can study all of our projects, and may mga training videos din po dyan. And of course, yun nga, training videos and modules that you can watch over and over. So, it will help you, no? So, kasi at least, kunyari, kapag wala kayo po sa Pilipinas, iba po yung time zones natin, no? Tapos, kunyari, mayroon kayong kliyente, mababalikan nyo po itong mga videos na to. Okay? So, next is, we also have bonus support, no, from SMDC Team Apex. So, number 1, syempre, presentation assistance from your mentors and coaches, no? So kunwari meron kayong client, no? And you feel like hindi nyo pa siya kayang i-close, hindi pa kayo confident on your presentation skills, no? So yung mga mentors natin, yung mga coaches po natin, pwede po kayong tulungan dyan. What you have to do is kayo po yung magi-schedule dun sa mga prospective clients natin, kung kailan yung available available time nila for the presentations or trippings, no? Kung nandito po sa Pilipinas yung client natin, pwede rin po i-tripping yan, sasamahan kayo ng mga mentors and coaches natin, no? So, syempre, meron din tayong open house event presentations. We have small group presentations during international deployments. At syempre, we hold regular selling webinars twice a week, no? Na we encourage you to invite clients there kasi doon po sila nagkakaroon ng interest, no, if they want to invest in SMDC. Okay? So next is salesmanship training, no? So we have salesmanship training videos na matututunan nyo po paano ba kayo maging successful in real estate, paano po ba yung sales funnel, 'di ba? Yun nga, kung wala pa po kayong experience with sales, so dito matututunan niyo po 'yon, no? And number 3, digital marketing how-tos, no? So syempre, karamihan po sa amin ay nag-ads online, no? So yung Facebook ads. So ituturo po din namin 'yan sa inyo. Tapos, pwede rin po kayong mag-ads or gumawa ng Facebook page nyo later on para mas makakuha po tayo ng mga qualified leads. Okay? So, number 4, financial literacy trainings and seminars. No? So, we do financial literacy trainings and literacy trainings and seminars. No? So, usually, talk po yan dun sa mga selling webinars po natin, 'di ba? Na marami rin po kayong matututunan, no? And of course, yung mga prospective buyers natin. And of course, personal development training. So, syempre, hindi lang naman po siya sales, hindi naman lang po ganoon, 'di ba? So, syempre, if we develop ourselves also, mas maganda yung magiging results natin later on in all aspects of our lives. Okay? So, ano naman po yung support ni SMDC sa atin, no? So, kaya tumagal din po kami ng ganitong katagal with SMDC is because of the all-out support of the company to us, no? So, yun din po yung i-share namin sa inyo, no? So, number 1, yun nga, easy payment terms and generous promos to increase our closing rate, no? So, nakikinig po sila sa sales, no? Sa mga nagbebenta ng mga projects, no? So, minsan, nagre-request tayo, okay, no down payment, habaan yung payment term, and yan naman yung binibigay sa atin ng company, no? So, number 2, huge pipeline of projects that will make your efforts worthwhile, no? So, syempre, since connected na po kayo with SMDC, and i-connect na rin po yan sa pangalan nyo and dun sa mga network nyo, no? Kung nakilala na po kayo bilang SMDC referral partner, later on, ang dami pa po nating projects na ilo-launch. So, syempre, malalaman po ng mga clients nyo yun, yung mga previous clients nyo. So, kayo pa rin po yung hahanapin at hindi masasayang yung mga effort nyo on marketing our current projects. Okay? So, number 3, you will have access in SMDC Pro with your Gmail account, no? So ito pong SMDC Pro account natin, this is in addition to our Google Drive kung nasan yung mga presentations. So dito po makikita nyo rin yung mga project presentations natin, yung mga videos, yung mga project videos, yung mga photos na pwede nyo i-download, tapos yung mga website links po, yung mga 360 presentation, no? So nandito po yung mga links niyan. And of course, this also serves as leads management for client ownership. So meron po tayong client ownership. Kunyari, meron po kayong wino-workout na client, pwede nyo pong i-encode dito yon sa add lead, no, feature. Tapos 1 month po sa inyo yung client po na yon, no. So ibig sabihin pag bumili siya sa iba, pwede natin siyang i-contest sa SMDC office. Okay? And of course, you will also have your SMDC microsite. Kung gusto niyo po ng website, eto po dito sa SMDC Pro, meron po kayong landing page kung tawagin, no? Kunyari, nag-ads po kayo sa Facebook or sa Google, no? Tapos, ito po yung pwede nyong gamitin as your landing page. Dito mag-e-enter ng details yung mga clients natin na nakakita ng ads nyo. Tapos, dun nyo makukuha yung mga details po nila, like the email address or phone number. Okay? So, ito po, just want to share with you briefly kung ano ba yung SMDC Pro. So, here's a screenshot of our SMDC Pro. So, nandito po yung properties natin. If we go to properties, lalabas po yung mga properties natin dyan. Naka-alphabetical order. So, i-click lang po natin yung see more to see the details of these projects, no? So, ito naman po yung add lead feature. If we click the add lead feature, ito po yon. Ilalagay lang po natin yung details ng client and click save lead. Okay? So, napakasimple. Okay? And next is yung microsite naman po natin. Pag nagpunta po tayo dun sa upper right portion of the SMDC Pro, pag kinlik po natin yan, makikita nyo po dito yung edit microsite and go to microsite, no? So, pag kinlik nyo po yung go to microsite, ito po yung lalabas sa atin dito. Okay? So, yan, nandyan. Ito na yung landing page natin. Nakalagay dyan, I'm an authorized SMDC seller. Pwede nyo lagyan ng picture. Tapos, dito po sa baba, meron po dyang form na i-fill out po ng mga prospective buyers natin kung saan ilalagay po nila yung contact details nila. Okay? So, napakaganda po nitong SMDC Pro. And this is for free, by the way. Okay? So, next is access to SMDC Sellers Portal, no? So, also with your Gmail account. So, magkaiba po yan, yung SMDC Pro and yung Sellers Portal natin. So, dito po sa Sellers Portal, ang makikita naman po natin dito ay yung real-time availability of units, yung inventory po natin, no? So, syempre, we have a lot of referral partners worldwide, no? So, minsan, kahit nasa, let's say, Australia, yung client natin, mache-check nyo po real-time yung available units in a specific project, no? So dito sa Sellers Portal, makikita din po natin yung mga accounts natin, no? So yung mga requirements kung may kulang pa ba, yung payments ng mga clients natin kung natag na ba, and of course, syempre again, ang pinaka gusto natin, yung commissions, matatrack po natin, no? So hindi na kayo mahihirapang mag-file. So dito po makikita nyo na kung nakakailang percent na si client and kung palabas na ba yung mga commissions natin. Okay? So, ito po, papakita ko lang po sample screenshot of our SMDC Sellers Portal. No? So, ito po yung Sellers Portal natin sa home. If you log in, bibigyan po kayo ng login dyan ng SMDC upon accreditation. So, pag-click nyo po dun sa stock plan, makikita nyo po yung available units per project, no? So, yung mga unit details such as list price, yung size, and view, no? So, dito po, yung mga list price natin, ano po yan? Standard po yan. We cannot alter the list price kasi yun po yung stipulated ng company dun sa mga price lists natin. Okay? So, dito po sa Sellers Portal, sa Commission tab, pag kinlik po natin, ito po yung account tracker natin. So, yun nga, makikita natin yung requirements, payments, and commissions, no? So, yun po. Pag pumunta tayo dun sa commissions tab, ito na po yung makikita natin, no? So, ito. Tinakpan ko lang po yung mga name, yung mga buyer's name. Pero this is profile, yung account po ng isa naming international marketing partner. So, nagpaalam lang ako kung pwede kong i-access, no? So, ito po, makikita natin dito yung contract number, buyer's name, kung anong project yun pong binili niya, no? And syempre kung kailan po nag-reserve. Okay? So dito, you may click on the CIN, yung contract number, to see the details of the account. So pag kinlik po natin to, so ito na po yung lalabas. Okay? So we have the documents over here. Kapag po nakalagay na dito yung date, ibig sabihin, submitted na po yan sa documentation teams ni SMDC. Okay? So next is, pag scroll nyo po nyan, after the documents, makikita nyo naman po dito yung payments po ni client. Yan. So real time din po yan. Pag napatag na natin or kung nagbabayad siya dun sa buyer's portal, matatag po yan dito sa payment natin dito sa account trackers natin, no? So yung mga down payment over here, kung magkano yung binayad ni client, kung kailan po siya nagbayad, tapos yung mga reference number po dyan, and of course kung ano yung payment type, no? So dito makikita po natin dito na principal payment po ni buyer is naka 39.24% na po siya, no? Yan po yung percentage kasi dito po magbe-base yun pong commissionables po natin, yung release po ng commissions natin, no? So again, pag nag-scroll down pa po tayo, okay, pag nag-scroll down pa po tayo, makikita naman po natin, of course, ito, yung commissions na natin, di ba? So, nakalagay dito sa taas, of course, yung total commissions natin. Uy, wow! 315,000 yung commissions niya, di ba? For single account lang po yun. Nakita niyo po kanina dun sa list, pagka-login natin, napakadami pong accounts, di ba? Ilan po yun? So, siguro more than 10 or 15 accounts po yun. And sa single account, pwede kayong kumita ng 315,000 pesos, no? So, dun sa 315,000 pesos, of course, yun pong commission releases natin ay based po kung ano yung payment term po ni buyer, no? So, kung kunwari, nagbabayad siya ng malaki, nagbayad siya ng spot down payment, mas malaki yung tranches na ma-release po sa atin, no? Pero dito po, naka-itemize po siya. For example, na-reach niya yung 2% payment, na-reach niya yung 0.61%, ma-reach niya yung, ma-release po yung 2% nung commissions natin. So, yan po. For example, naka-auto-compute na po yan. So, ito po yung release date. So, yan. Ito po yung net amount natin. May 6,000, 3,000. So, ito po, sabay-sabay po itong na-release kasi nag-down payment ng malaki. Yun pong buyer natin dito. Okay? So, yan po, makikita nyo dito hanggang sa dulo, no? So, nakalagay po yan. Ito pong last tranche, hindi pa siya nare-release kasi hindi pa siya 100% paid. Pero konti na lang po yung naiwan dyan, 32,000 pesos. So, kita nyo, 315,000 yung total commissions and then yung total release is 283,000, no? So, napakaganda po nitong account trackers po natin, no? Alright. So, dito nga po sa mga commissions natin, no? So, napakadami nating mga referral partners na talagang kumikita, no? With our commissions, no? Dun sa generous commissions ni SMDC. And I just want to share with you a screenshot po nung conversation nung isang IMP natin, nung referral partner natin from Paris, France, which is si Miss Michelle Tuba, no? So, ito yung picture, in-screenshot ko lang to actually kasi natutuwa ako sa kanya, 'di ba? Kasi siya mismo nagti-TikTok siya, nagba-vlog siya para makabenta siya, 'di ba? So, she's based in Paris, France, pero minsan nakakabenta siya ng mga taga USA, taga Pilipinas, ganyan, 'di ba? So, kasi naglalagay siya tips para sa mga bagong OFW, no? So, yan po, 'di ba? So, sana pwede rin nating gawin 'yan, okay? So, dito po sa screenshot on the right side of your screen, makikita nyo, sabi niya, "Thank you nga pala sir sa pag-help mo sa akin ma-release commission ko. Nakabili ako ng farm. Malaking tulong siya pandagdag, nasa 10 hectares na total at may coming pa soon. Koprahan, manggahan at palkatahan." No? So grabe, isipin nyo na lang, from her commissions in SMDC, natulungan po siya na makabili ng 10 hectares sa province, di ba? So sabi naman ng coach niya, "Wow, congrats Mimi, you're very welcome. Happy ako para sa'yo at sa achievements mo. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo Mimi para continuous din ang commission releases mo." O, di ba? Wow, ganun lang po kasarap kumita with SMDC. Sabi ni Mimi, salamat sir. Kung di dahil dito, di ako maka-invest kasi di sapat ang ipon ko. dahil monthly nagbabayad sa condo at ibang bill. So, 'di ba? So, ganoon naman po tayo talaga. Minsan, yung income natin sapat lang, pero kung may side hustle ka like this with SMDC, no? So, pwedeng-pwede kang makapag-invest, pwedeng-pwede kang makabili for your future and for your family. Okay? So, next is yun nga, access to SMDC Pro. And of course, lastly, we have an official commission support group, no? So kung wala po kayo sa Pilipinas, you're based abroad, pwede po kayo mag-inquire about your commissions here in Sellers Help Desk at smdevelopment.com, no? So this is just a backup kasi syempre makikita nyo naman po yung details of your commissions in the Sellers portal when you log in, no? So pero dito masasagot po yung mga katanungan natin, no? So yun po, sana may natutunan kayo dito, and I just want to end this presentation with this, no? Ito po yung last part natin, the only 5 steps you need to succeed in real estate sales, no? So yun po, I just want to share this with you kasi ito po yung natutunan namin, no? Ito po yung tinuturo din namin sa mga team members namin, dun sa mga previous referral partners namin, na paano ba tayo magiging successful in real estate, no? So it's not a rocket science, no? So syempre may step by step process din po yan, okay? So but this is somewhat of a motivation, no, na para matulungan din po kayo kung paano kayo makakapag-start in SMDC referral program, no? So step 1, of course, knowing your goal, 'di ba? Very important 'yan, yung goal natin. So syempre, if you are any one of these, we know that your goal is to earn more for you and your family, 'di ba? So syempre, yun nga, side hustle siya eh. Additional income stream yung hinahanap po natin eh. So again, ulitin ko lang po, kung isa po kayo dito, isa lang naman po yung goal natin, 'di ba? Is for us to earn more for us and for our families, no? People with extra time, yun nga, if you're retirees, unemployed, housewife, college student, or business people. Okay? Next is people who know investors, no? So kahit po okay naman yung income nyo, but you have friends or you have family na alam mo naman na qualified at gustong mag-invest, 'di ba? So sa'yo na lang siya bumili kaysa iba pa yung kumita, 'di ba? And of course, next is people working abroad, if you are OFWs, seaman or migrant workers, no? This is definitely perfect for you kasi yun nga, kasi nandyan na kayo eh. Makikita nyo or makikilala nyo po kung sino yung mga gustong mag-retire sa Pilipinas or gustong mag-invest sa Pilipinas, at yung mga kumikita ng malaki, kilala nyo na sila. Okay? And of course, number 4, people with only enough income, 'di ba? So, may trabaho ka, may business ka, but you can't save enough. Wala kang funds, other funds for travel, at hindi ka man lang makapag-invest, no? So again, kanina yung example po natin si Mimi, 'di ba? Saktong-sakto lang yung bills niya kasi dun sa mga binabayaran niya, pinapadala niya sa Pilipinas, no? Pero with SMDC referral program, nakabili po siya ng 10 hectares na land, no, sa probinsya. Grabe, sana all. Okay? And lastly, people with insufficient income, 'di ba? So kahit po minimum wage earner po tayo, usually 9 to 5 tayo, minsan nga nag-OT ka pa pero hindi pa rin sapat for your daily needs. Baka ito na po yung opportunity na para sa atin, 'di ba? So, yun po. And of course, yun nga, very important yung goal natin, and I just want to share with you my goal board in 2012, no? So kanina na-share po namin yung mga milestones namin, pero just want to share this with you. Noong 2012, gumagawa po kasi kami ng ganyan, ng mga vision boards or goal boards namin. So nakita nyo po dito, nilagay ko nga po dito yung cheque. Naglagay ako ng cheque with my name on it, Dennis Canlas. Tapos, nilagay ko December 31, 2012. Ginawa ko po ito at the start of 2012. 'Di ba? So, tapos, meron akong nilagay 2 million pesos kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng 2 million pesos na savings at that time. 'Di ba? So, hindi ko naman siya na-hit yung 2 million at that time. Pero, at least, nag-push ako at tumaas talaga yung savings ko, 'di ba? So, yun po yung power of setting your goals, 'di ba? So, ito po, naglagay ako ng black Honda Civic dyan, no? Kahit second hand lang, yun lang po yung goal ko at that time. Pero, nakabili naman ako ng brand new na SUV at that time. And yan, syempre, may picture kami ng girlfriend ko that time, which is wife ko na ngayon, no? And ito po, nakalagay dyan, our home, 'di ba? Hindi kami nagkaroon ng bahay noong 2012, pero nagkaroon naman kami noong 2019, 'di ba? So ito po, PlayStation, sapatos, yung lote, lahat naman po na-reach natin 'yan. And of course, ito po yung fit body, kahit papaano mas naging fit tayo than before. Okay? So yun po yung importance ng goal natin. So I can suggest na after this presentation pwede rin po kayong gumawa nito kung hindi niyo pa siya ginagawa, and malaking bagay ito para at least alam natin kung ano yung gusto nating i-hit. Okay? So next is step 2, committing to your goal, no? So kung meron na po tayong goal, of course ang susunod naman po doon is commitment. So syempre, nonsense naman po yung pagsiset natin ng goals kung hindi din naman po natin gagawin, di ba? So, knowing your goal is one, but committing to it is another thing, no? So, sabi nga po ni Vince Lombardi, the quality of a person's life is in direct proportion of their commitment to excellence, regardless of their chosen field of endeavor, no? So, kahit ano po yung ginagawa natin, if we are a businessman, kung you're in the medical field, IT, or nasa sales po tayo, no? Ang magbavari lang naman po dun is yung commitment po natin, eh. 'Di ba? So, if we commit to it 100%, definitely magiging successful po tayo, 'di ba? And of course, number 3, yung step 3 po natin is having the right knowledge. Okay? So, may goal na tayo, nag-commit tayo dun sa goal natin. Next is having the right knowledge. So, yun nga, we give you all the tools, we give you all the presentations, yung mga videos natin. Ang magiging part nyo na lang po is panoorin po yun, or kaya mag-attend po kayo dun sa mga Q&A natin para at least ma-enhance po yung knowledge natin, 'di ba? Dito po sa program na to, kasi kayo din naman po yung magbe-benefit doon. So sabi nga ni Stuart Wilde, knowledge is power. The more knowledge, expertise, and connections you have, the easier it is for you to make a profit at the game of your choice. 'Di ba? So tamang-tama, if you really want to be successful here in the referral program, nakita naman po natin, napakalaki ng income opportunity, no? So, yun po, pataasin lang po yun natin yung knowledge natin, maging active lang tayo on building our knowledge. Okay? So, step 4, applying them consistently. So, syempre, may knowledge na tayo, kailangan din naman po natin ng consistency, di ba? So, again, you are the player, you are the superstar of your own game. So, kayo po yun, di ba? So, nandito po kami, parang si Phil Jackson, di ba? So, he is not the one playing. Makita nyo dito yung picture ni Phil Jackson with Kobe Bryant and Phil Jackson with Michael Jordan, no, di ba? Pero, syempre, kayo pa rin naman po yung magsushoot ng bola, eh. Nasa inyo pa rin po yung bola. Okay? We, your mentors and coaches, can only guide you, but we cannot play the game for you, no? So if you want to sell more, if you want to do more, if you want to earn more, so definitely kailangan maging consistent lang po tayo dun sa ginagawa natin and dun sa mga action plans po natin. Okay? And of course, lastly, step 5, be patient, no? So pinaka-importante po 'yan sa atin sa field natin, nung yung magkaroon po tayo ng patience, no? Hindi naman po ibig sabihin nito na maghihintay lang tayo. Hindi po. Okay? So, being patient means good things take time, no? And great things take a little longer. If you want to earn more, katulad niyan, ngayon po, yung mga matatagal na sa real estate, matatagal na sa team namin, they're reaping the rewards of their efforts, no? Yung pagiging patient po nila, no? At hindi sila nag-give up. Hindi naman po yan talaga madali sa una, 'di ba? So yan, may picture po ng rocket ship dito, no? And ang illustration lang po diyan is that a rocket ship uses more fuel during the first minutes of the flight than the rest of the trip, no? So the hardest part is getting off the ground, 'di ba? So parang dito po sa SMDC referral program, hindi mo pa marireap yung rewards mo kaagad, eh. 'Di ba? So kailangan po natin mag-exert ng effort, and then later on expecting na talagang may papasok na benta. Of course, merong papasok na commissions na pagkadami-dami kapag naging patient lang po tayo, 'di ba? And we're going to use more effort during the first few days or weeks to have extraordinary days. And after that, you can close sales as easy as 1, 2, 3. Sa una lang po mahirap lahat, no? So kahit ano naman pong gawin natin, anong field, no? So lahat po 'yan merong struggle at first, but just be patient and eventually magiging okay din po at magiging mas magaling kayo, and you can definitely close sales kahit nakapikit, 'di ba? So kahit hindi niyo na kailangan yung presentation assistance ng mga coaches and mentors, makakapag-close na po kayo and magiging automatic na yun pong additional income natin. Okay? So, and again, i-reiterate ko lang po, the only 5 steps you need to succeed in real estate sales. Step 1 is knowing your goal. Step 2, committing to your goal. Step 3 is having the right knowledge. Step 4 is applying them consistently. And step 5 is being patient. Okay? And yun po, maraming salamat, and I just want to leave you with this quotes, no? So today's actions are tomorrow's results, and your mindset determines your reality. Okay? So thank you very much for attending this presentation. Again, my name is Dennis Canlas, and if you have questions, just reach out to your property specialist, yung mga managers natin and directors natin para ma-assist po kayo. So, thank you everyone.